The next step in the process is to make a book for each level. Each book we make in this step will become a template when we pass the collection on to an author using a bloom pack. The book we've had open while setting up the levels can become the template for level 1. It is already set to use level 1 by default. As this level 1 book is for beginners, we probably want to make the font size larger. To do this, add a page. Click on the gear icon. We're going to edit the size of the normal style. Click on the Characters tab. Increase the font size. Later, when this book becomes a template, the larger font will be passed on to all books based on this template, which is just what we want in order to help authors save time. Now we've made that style change, we can delete this added page so that the user of the template can decide exactly what pages to add. They do not have to use this one. Our font size change is still saved. Finally, we need to add a title for this book so that users of the templates can distinguish between them. I will simply name this template Level 1. You should add the title in each language showing on this front cover. To create a template for the second level, we need to go back to the collection and then use the Leveled Reader template again. Click on Make a Book using this source. This time, all the levels in this collection are already set up for us, and all we need to do is select Level 2 by clicking on this little arrow. We could also set the font size a little larger in this template, so I will add a page again. Use the gear icon to access the Format dialog. On the Characters tab, I will set the font size to 40. Now I can remove this page. Finally, we should set the template's title, so I click on Front Cover. This time it's for Level 2. Let's do this process again for Level 3. Click on Collections, use the Leveled Reader template, click Make a Book using this source. After the book loads, set the level for this template. Then add the title Level 3. For this level and the remaining levels, the books will use the default font size. We would repeat these steps to add a book for each of the remaining levels, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I've now added books for the remaining levels 4, 5, 6 and 7. In the collection, there is now a book for each reading level and a book for each decodable stage.